Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off the sign on your LinkedIn app. We'll go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So just go up, you will click here on this picture here in app, then it's going to show for you window like this. Then you just click here on settings, then you come to settings window here, and you just click here on account preferences. Then you come to next window here, and you just click here on name location. Then you come to next window here and you will click here on this sign. Then it's going to take you here in this window and you just go down here. Then you come here to show current company in my intro. You will click here on this sign here or this color, and like you say color it's gone, that's means show current company in my intro it's turned off now. I wish know you I give it, that's all. So just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.